Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the batteries in your Blink camera. It's super easy. You just need the batteries to do it and a screwdriver. They actually give you a tool, but you don't really need the tool they give you. You can just use any flathead screwdriver, will pretty much do the trick. And if you don't have the batteries, 2 AA batteries, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. You can order some cheap batteries on Amazon. But basically you just pull the camera off of the wall. Just make sure, just hold the base and just kind of pull it off. And then you come in here with a screwdriver on the back and unscrew, unscrew counterclockwise that screw that's in the middle. And this will pop open like this. And you'll see you'll have your 2 AA batteries right in there. So you can just pop those 2 AA batteries out, put 2 fresh AA batteries in, and then pop the back on. And you can see with this guide, it has the arrow of that little tab that will go in and make sure that you're putting it on. That way you'll know you're not putting it on backwards, because if you try to put it on backwards or whatever, it actually won't go in. The guide tab needs to fit in. And then you can, screw it back down in the opposite direction and you're done.